day one of our spring trip, we drove to Cumberland Gap National Historical Park, and that's where we camped for the night. Before we set up our rooftop tent, we drove over to Pinnacle Overlook, which is a beautiful overlook where there's Tri-State Peak, the place where 3 states come together. And Tony will show you on the screen the 3 states. We were also able to see far off in the distance and identify some of the Smokies, including Clingman's Dome. After that, we kind of hung out a while for sunset, and it ended up being a beautiful ending to a glorious day. Cinco de Mayo, build your own nachos, or you can do what Tony did. Here we are at Lover's Leap, Natural Tunnel State Park in Virginia. Absolutely gorgeous. What's our elevation, Tony B?
1,698.
1,698, almost 1,700. This was the Carter cabin, and it was originally built in 1784. There was a fort around here, and the Carter brothers did a settlement. I mean, they built this. There was a little settlement built around near the fort. Anyway, it was moved here in 1997 and reconstructed. And I'll put the picture of the original. Pretty cool. Today, right now, we are headed to Devil's Bathtub. We're gonna hike down. I think it's what did it say, 3.5 mile?
About a 4-mile round trip.
Yeah, round trip. And I think we're gonna see something beautiful. The water's so clear.
What you cooking, Rita B?
Hamburger steak. Hash browns, diced hash browns, about to burn them. I'll turn them off. And we got some slaw that we bought at the deli. And also I have some homemade pasta salad that my Hannah Boo made for me. And I love it.